Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be trying something new. We're going to be baking today. So we're going to be making one of my all-time favorite holiday desserts to make, Oreo Truffles. They are so easy, so I decided I would show you guys how to make them. Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to need a package of Oreos. I like to use regular Oreos, but you can use double stuffed. I know there's like a mint Oreo. I'm gonna try some red velvet ones for this video for you guys. I've never tried it before, but I was in the store and I saw it and I was like, that would be really delicious. The next thing that you're gonna need is a package of cream cheese. And the last thing that you need is some chocolate. I like to use white chocolate. You could use milk chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever kind you like. The first thing you wanna do is you're gonna wanna grind up your Oreos. If you have a food processor, you can use that, a blender. I have this little Ninja bullet thing, so I'm gonna use that. You're gonna open your package of Oreos and just dump as many as you can in there. Okay. Oh man, I made a mess. You wanna grind it up and just try and get rid of all the big chunks. And you keep going till you've done the whole package of Oreos. Oh, look at that, doesn't that look awesome? I finished grinding out my Oreos. You can kind of see it's kind of like a dirt-like texture. I did the normal Oreos, and then these are the red velvet ones. They look so good. The next step is the messy step. You're going to mix in the cream cheese. It helps if it's softened. It's just easier to work in. We're gonna add in the cream cheese and basically mush it all up into one big ball. I love these, I love making these, but this is my least favorite part. Probably should have picked a bigger bowl. I'll try and show you. You can kind of see it. Oh no, I just dumped it all over the table. You can kind of see how it's starting to like come together. I've rolled this all into one huge Oreo cream cheese glob. I learned my lesson and I got a much bigger bowl. Let's make this look all pretty. It smells so good. So I've got my regular chocolate Oreo and I've got the red velvet done. The next step is you're gonna take your huge Oreo and then you're gonna roll them into small, let's say like 1/2 inch to 1 inch size little balls. Just roll them up. I put down some parchment paper and we're just gonna keep rolling them out. Okay, I rolled up all my Oreo. Now we're gonna have to put these in the fridge for about an hour. This helps to solidify them so that when you dip them in the chocolate, which is the last step, spoiler alert, so that they don't fall apart. Because I've tried skipping that step and it does not work, so you gotta put it in the fridge for an hour. So, because I've made these so many times and I've always done it the exact same way, I'm going to try something new. I'm gonna try it with these guys because I've never made it with red velvet. Here's what we're gonna do, we're gonna try this. It could go horribly wrong while those are chilling. So we're gonna take some parchment paper. We're gonna lay this on the table. I'm just going to dump this on there and I'm gonna flatten it out. I don't wanna make this too flat because I want you to be able to taste the Oreos. I bought these little cookie cutters. See them? So I thought it'd be really fun if I tried like cutting them into shapes and then dipping them in chocolate. And if it doesn't work out, then I'll just roll it all back up and start again. I took out my little shapes and we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, I cut out the first one. I need to make this flatter. I just measured and I rolled it out to about like 1/4 inch. I think it was more like 1/2 inch before, so let's try this out. Gingerbread man, star, candy cane, and a Christmas tree. Those look awesome. Ta-da! It actually looks like one. Hooray! Snowflake's a little hard, so I'm gonna ditch it. I'm just gonna go ahead and roll the rest of these up. All right, now that I'm done with these, I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the fridge. So there are lots of different ways to melt chocolate. I chose the easiest way that I could find. Essentially, I'm just gonna put this whole thing in the microwave and let it melt. I have melted down my chocolate. I've always had problems getting my Oreos to look nice. I went online, and this is optional. This can be a 4th ingredient. I saw someone said to put some vegetable oil in with the chocolate. It's gonna kind of give the Oreos a thinner coat and make it a little easier when I am putting my Oreos in the chocolate. I'm just gonna pour a little bit in there and mix it around and see what it does. Ooh, it definitely makes it like smoother. I'm just gonna throw this in there and cover it in chocolate. And now I'm gonna put it on this new sheet. That looks way better than anyone I've ever made before. Definitely add some vegetable oil. While they're drying, I'm gonna put some sprinkles on there. You can put whatever you want on there. I'm gonna try a few different things. I'm gonna try some cinnamon on there. Ooh, that's a lot of cinnamon. Don't put that much cinnamon on there. I am so excited about these. Super glad they turned out well. After you finish, you need to go ahead and put these back in the fridge for like another 10-15 minutes. This is just to make sure that they're kind of completely cooled. Then you can go ahead and eat them right away, or you can leave them in the fridge. I went a little crazy on the cinnamon, but I think they overall turned out pretty well. I mean, you can kind of tell it's a Christmas tree. When I got near like the end of the chocolate, they kind of started looking pretty questionable, but these ones look awesome. I actually don't think I'm gonna be like rolling them into the balls anymore. I'm gonna work on my decorating skills, that's for sure. Mine never looked this good. I mean, it's really smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in the fridge, and then we can taste them and see how they turned out. I'm gonna bring in my guest taste tester that is not biased at all.
Me.
I made my Oreo Truffles.
Those look awesome. I've never seen the like tree-shaped ones, just ball-shaped ones.
Yeah, I was experimenting.
I like it. I ate that so sloppily. That's really good.
Is it? Now I have to try one.
The cinnamon is freaking good. It's nice. 10 out of 10. Not biased. 2 thumbs up. 5 stars.
You heard it here first, folks.
Folks.
Well, I hope you guys had fun watching this video. I hope you try this out for yourselves. I'm pretty sure anybody can make these. Like, it's so easy. Go ahead and comment below if you have any questions for me or if you have any tips for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked what you saw and you want to see more, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, click the bell so you can see when I upload new content. I hope you guys have an awesome holiday season, and I'll see you guys next time.